Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. You got something in my eye. So, awesome people. I got straw out there. Bullfrog 79 said I need to cover up those potatoes a little bit more, so I got some wood chips from Family Farming Home and the straw. I brought them home and I insulated those potato beds a little bit more and got straw to extend the garden this year. So yeah, I got like 3 or 4 chives out there. I got 4 kales still going strong from last year. And I got lettuce, spinach, mescalin, I forget, onions, peppers, Swiss chard, 2 kinds of lettuce in there. So, everything started. We're going to get some snow in a couple days, strong winds, what have you. So all of us are going back inside and I'll take care of them. And I still got to finish that raised bed today, tomorrow, what have you. And see if I can put a cover over it for the cold nights coming ahead. I might get some other stuff in there real quick, like these got to sprout first. And I still have some cabbage and such upstairs. And that'll be it. Short and sweet. And you have a blessed day. Finally got a 3-day weekend. Woohoo!